want to speak about uh, the similarity between dream and real world. Uh, in the previous time, I talked about the scientific evidence of uh, existing of God. And I talked about mathematics and said that uh, mathematics is the language of reality. And Einstein said uh, the universe is written by the language of mathematics. And we talked about the similarity between one and God. Number one in mathematics has several attributes that are very similar to God. And if we understand one in mathematics, we can understand God in reality. One in mathematics is the first number for counting. In counting system, one is first. Then one is first number. And God is first object in reality, first being. Before one is zero, and before God is nothing. Nothing cannot create anything. If someone asks who created God, you simply answer nobody, because no one, nothing, because before God is nothing, and nothing cannot create anything. God is first object. The first of first is not logical things. There is, we don't have any something first of first. First is first. Means before it, him, before being is not anything. And anything cannot create things. Welcome, Mr. Saturk. And another attribute of one is unit, and you can separate one into its parts. And one is unit number. And other numbers, you can separate them into its parts, like 2, 3, 4, and etc. God also is a unit object. You can't separate God into its parts. God is decomposable. God is invisible. Number one is invisible, God is invisible. And therefore, God is always the same. God has no any change, because God is a unit, it's single, and you can't separate God into its parts. If you want to define God, you can define God in two ways. One, God is only object in the existence that before him is nothing. And God is only object that there is no empty place inside and outside him. Inside and outside the God, you can't find any empty place. These two definition, you can understand God. After that, I said that about the zero. If you understand zero, you can understand reality. And zero means that every decomposable things like us has parts. These parts are decomposable, and the chain of the composition lead to zero. And in the quantum physics, the scientists said that matter is made of quantumic fluctuation, quantumic vibration. We are some vibration. And astrophysics and say that scientists in astrophysics say that in the point of Big Bang, entire world was very smaller than an electron, and you could say billions of billions of billions of billions of entire world that compress into a point in top of your finger. Therefore, this world is a balloon full of empty space. Full of empty space. Emptiness. If you see words from top, you understand that this world is empty place. If you go into the detail and into the smallest particle of the matter, you understand that you reach the vibration, quantumic fluctuation, and you understand in the detail and the total, in general and detail, you understand in this world is empty place, empty space. And this is lead us to the very important things. What's it? It's that our dream, when we think about our dream, about our imagination, we understand that our imagination is made of empty place. You have a dream. You had a dream. Exactly, you had a dream. And in your dream, there was a very spirit world. Many people could have lived in your dream, your imagination. It's enough you close your eyes and think about a world, and you can create a world in your mind, in your imagination. You can imagine a very spirit world in your imagination and full of people, animals, plants, and planet and everything. If you consider one person in your mind and this person thinks about his or her environment and think, who created me? Like us, I think, who created me? The person that I create in my mind ask himself, who created me? Like me, I ask, who created me? He can't see me. He can't imagine about his creator. like me. I can't imagine about my creator. You understand that your dream is very similar to the reality. If you understand your dream, you can understand the reality. If you understand that you create the world in your imagination, in your mind, you can understand that someone named God imagined this world. Why? Because this world is emptiness, is full of empty place. In the Big Bang point, entire world was very, very, very smaller than an electron. Entire world, all of the universe was compressed into the point that was very smaller than an electron. And this world and this universe is full of emptiness. There is only one being that is real. This being is God. Why? Because God is full of himself. You can't find any empty place inside or outside God. God is a real being. The other things are dream, or virtual, And there is very similarity between our dream and God's dream. And if you compare these two words, the word that you create in your imagination, in your mind, with the word, with the universe that God imagine, you can understand who are you and who is God and what is reality. I answered the comments, I read comments, and after that I continue this discussion, this talking. The message, God's dream. Yes, God's dream, of course. Mr. Hamid, I think him. God is male or female. No, God cannot be male or female, because male or female is for this world, and God is very excellent and far away from the male and female. It's not empty. There is dark matter. You must think about my reason. In the Big Bang point, what was the size of universe? In the Big Bang point, what was the size of universe? Please answer me. After that, you can understand. My English live is 30 minutes, and about 10 or 12%, 12 or 12, or about 15 view. There is about maximum 15 view in this live. I do it, and it's better that my view increase. But if one person come and listen to me, it's enough. If no one come, I record this live, and I use this record in my channel, like in my YouTube channel. And I think in the future, this English live will be progress, if God will. Mr. Dawood, where is Mr. Hamid? Here, Mr. Hamid is here, but he didn't comment yet. I explain about my opinion. I want to say, excuse me. There is similarity between our dream and reality. Reality is full of emptiness. Empty. Reality is an empty ball. Why? Because in the Big Bang point, all of the universe was very smaller than an electron in about 14 billion years ago. And our dream, we can imagine a very big world, and many people and things, creature in our mind, and there is nothing. I imagine a world full of things, full of people. But in my imagine is empty space. There is not real. My imagine has no weight and vacuum, has no any place. I think about a very spirit world in my mind. But what I create in my mind is an empty ball. The world that I create in my mind is an empty, huge balloon. Like this world. This world is a huge empty balloon. Why? Because Big Bang point. Because Big Bang point. Because the quantum physics and the smallest particle of world, that is quantumic vibration, quantumic fluctuation. In general, if we see all entire world in general, we see the empty balloon, huge empty balloon. And if we are go into the detail, we reach the smallest part of the matter, that is quantumic fluctuation, quantumic vibration. Nothing. This world is full of nothing. Like our dream. Our dream are made of nothing. This world is made of nothing. It's very simple things. If you think about that, you can understand that the world is image of God. Like or dream is image of me, image of you. The similarity of your dream with the real world proves you that this world is virtual world and needs virtualizer. This virtualizer is God. God is first object. God is unit object. Before God is nothing. Nothing cannot create anything. God has no any creator. Because before God is nothing. God is first object. First object means before him is nothing. God is unit object. And unit object means that inside, there is no place inside or outside him. God occupied all possibility. God occupied all possibility. And in the real, there is nothing but God. In reality, there is nothing but God. God is single being in the existence. I hope you understand me. It's very important things. I prove God in mathematics and physics and quantum physics. And by your dream, I prove you that God exists. And you can understand God by your dream. And after that, I explain you that the beneficial of believing in God. What is the benefit of believing in God? I explained it. The size of the matter, big or small, is completely irrelevant concept since they are related terms. We're not talking about scales. Doesn't matter at the beginning or before Big Bang how big or small things were. What do you see? What do you see? It's a fact in the Big Bang point, entire universe was in the size of Planck's unit, very smaller than electron. How do you can deny this fact? How can you deny this fact, scientific fact? What do you say? In the Big Bang, the size of all of the things in the world was smaller than an electron. You want to not believe. You want to not accept. The size of the matter is a relative concept since you are talking about God, which you claim to be an absolute concept. You don't understand me. I said this word is an empty balloon. Do you understand? Do you accept it or not? You can say, no, it's not correct. This word is not a huge empty balloon. I say you that this world is light or dream. I don't speak about God. I speak about our dream and the reality. The reality is full of not emptiness, or dream is full of emptiness. There is similarity between our dream and the reality. You forgot God. You forgot. I don't speak about God. I speak about the similarity between our dream or reality. Do you understand? You believe that? Do you believe that there are similarity between my dream, your dream, and reality, or not? Please answer me. So why mix it up with God? This message is, I don't accept the fact you mixing up things. What is, you explain for me. I am trying to compare two things. My dream and reality. My dream and reality. Are confused? I mix two things. What things? I try to compare two things. My dream and reality. My dream is full of emptiness. This reality is full of emptiness. It's the fact of scientific fact. Why do you deny these facts? And I say one benefit of believing in God, and I finish this live. And I want you come tomorrow in the first, in the beginning of this program that began 30 minutes earlier. And I hope to speak with you from the beginning. And if you want to come to the live, and we have a debate with each other about the God, please connect to my Telegram channel, @M Dawood, @M Dawood, M Dav, DAV, OOD, @M DAV, OOD. You can message for me in Telegram, and I prepare this program for conversation between me and you. The most beneficial of believing in God is democracy. God is all power, and can force everyone to do everything he wants. But he don't do that. But he doesn't do that. Why? Because God wants all creature in freedom and free will. And nobody can deny this right of all creatures. Human being has created by God with freedom and free will. And if you believe in God, you must believe in freedom, free will, and democracy. It's the most important principle of believing in God. And it's very important for everybody. I must go because I have another live and in Farsi. And I must go. I am very glad to speak with Mr. K1. Thank you, Mr. K1. The times of let's go next slide. Yes, I must go. And now you mixing up things. Now you make mixing up. Tomorrow, come to my live, and I want to speak with you very severely, and we can reach end of this debate, and we reach one result about that. I said goodbye. Thank you for your coming. God bless you, and happy years for everybody. Goodbye and good luck.